Whoa, 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 whoa. Who said you could come here looking all cute like that? You're gonna have to... If you know what's good for you. Yeah, it's been a minute. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah.
Hi.
So, let's just go straight into it. Okay, so I got this package from my good old Canadian father, MDST, or Connor. Good old dude. Yeah. Hey, Connor. Anyway, I bought something. I bought it in like, what, August? And it's November. And I had this for quite a minute now, and I still haven't opened it. And I've been waiting to open it for quite a minute, so I'm excited. But before we even get into this, you know what we gotta do? We gotta do the trick of the video, right? Yeah. Let's go with the good old bench, and then a 34mm two-tone flat-face deck. Let's try. Let's see. Let's do tray flip, nose grind, nollie shove out.
Nice.
I'm just gonna have to take that, you know. Alright, we could get to the unboxing. Let's go. Bro, I feel like 603 when I handle this package. I just want to abuse it. Ooh, if you don't know 603. You see what I mean? Yeah, he is awesome. Check him out. Give him a follow. Anyway, alright. Ooh, hold up.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on.
Ooh, okay. As you can see, he sent me bubble wrap. This is exactly what I need. Bro, thank you. I needed the bubble wrap, bro. Oh my god. Hey yo. You see this? For your hoarding. Oh, he's talking about the Etchys. Oh my god, did I not get into it yet? Okay, yeah, I'm a sucker for Etchy. You guys probably know me. His work is amazing, honestly. And if you don't have an Etchy, I'm sorry, you're missing out. I hope and pray you get one. Yeah. But I can see what this is. Okay, what is this? Are you kidding me? Figured you might need help with the ladies. Lol. Message after message. Oh my god. And that I'm putting off to the side. Ooh. He says, hi YouTube. Look at that. I'm gonna talk to the box, because I'm not gonna talk to you, Connor. You said I'm getting lady troubles? That is not true. You wouldn't say that to me, right? I hate you. I hate you so much. Ah, nice. We got the prototype. Okay, I'm excited. Boom. Right down there.
I love cheese.
Alright, we got the prototype. That one, and then I'm assuming the main one. Let me just start off to say thank you. Seriously, thank you. I bought one thing, and these are extras. Just from what he said here, I'm like, okay. Yeah, because I have a slight issue with that. Let me see if you can. Yeah, I got a lot of Etchys. It's a problem.
Hello? Hi, babe.
Yeah. Alright, you know what? We're gonna open this one. Let me get some good old... Are y'all doing good, by the way? Are you eating snacks? I hope you are. Are you gonna share? Because I would love some. What you got? Is that chips? You drinking soda? There we go. Woo. Yo. We got the board racks and we got... Look at that. Y'all see that? We got the board racks and then his logo engraved right here. Yeah, that's MDST. Y'all say hi to him. Look, he sent me 2 of these. Look at that. Now the ones that I have here, I actually have a spot to put them. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. That's the collab, the mdst x Etchy. Super freaking good. Y'all should get one. I don't know how, but I think Josh made 10, if I remember right. He made it was super limited. That drop went out quick. The first 2 minutes. Like, honestly, if you check out my channel and you go down like a bit, you'll find it when I unboxed it, and oh my god, it was awesome. Honestly, it was the best. Put that one there. Boom. Look how slick that looks, y'all. Look at that. And honestly, I will eventually, I don't know when, but I'll do a video showcasing my entire collection. Josh, Etchy, if you're watching this, I love your work, man. Seriously, keep it up. I don't... What else can I say to describe the art he makes, you know? Like, I don't know. I don't know how to describe it besides like, dude, just take my money, bro. Damn. Now I got this empty set right here that I gotta fill up. Future me, I hope you got this filled up. Yeah. Alright, on to the next one. Oof. He's claiming I have lady problems. You know what, Connor? I can do this.
Can you put on your glasses on like this? Huh?
Alright, let's get into it. I'm sorry. What did you send me? What did this man send me? Oh, no way. Oh, no way.
Hell no, boy.
I can't even say anything now. I can't talk smack. Yo. Dude, this is awesome. I can't even describe it. Oh my god. Nah, you guys already know what's coming. We gotta do something on this real quick. We're gonna use the collab deck on it though. The collab one. Something simple. We're gonna do switch. What is that? Nose grind, switch, nose grind, fakie, backside 180 out. Oh, oh, oh. That's how you do it, man. Yeah. Let me redo that. You see, you put me on the spot. You put me on the spot and I'm struggling. You put me on the spot and I'm struggling. Ooh. All right. Seriously, this is awesome. Oh my god. I'm gonna be using this thing a bunch. This is awesome. We're gonna go ahead and get the prototype out. Let's see how this one is. Oh my god. You reinforce this thing with the infinity stone or something? Jesus, this thing is secured. Whew. Oh my god. Look at that. He said much love. Bro, I appreciate you. Modest prototype ledge. Just because of that, I need you to go down right below, hit that like, subscribe, and tell me that just hit the like button and give me a sub, okay? Give it to me, man. Oh, he also has a... What is this? Oh, man, dude, I'm hyped. What does that say? Yeah. No. Huh.
Well, Connor, if I had no... Did you think I could pull this off? I don't think so. You're gonna have to think about that.
Boom. Let's do kickflip. Boom. Boom. Alright?
Nice.
Let's do Dennypolitan right over that into a nose grind. Right? And then, yeah. Bro, I'm having too much fun with this. Oh my god, but I'm getting distracted. We have got to get to the main course. Alright, y'all. Moment of truth is here. And like what good old Mr. or Mrs. Box, what they're saying, so you better say hi back. Say hi back right now. Say hi back. I want you to say hi back.
You're not saying hi back. You're just staring at me blankly. Say hi back.
I'm gonna need me one of these. Yeah. Get that done. Boom. Straight out of the pack. I'm telling you, man. What makes this more special? It's a 1 of 1. You heard that. Yeah, a 1 out of 1. There is only one of these in the world, and it's right here on my hands. And you're watching me. It's a little side-by-side comparison. You know how it is, man. Oh, no way. He threw in grips that has his logo engraved into them. Holy crap. Dude, thank you. Alright, nah. It would only make sense if this were to be on here. Oh my god. Nah, I have to use one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use one. Oh my. There's also more. Look at that. Dude, it looks so much better in person. Josh, if you're watching this, dude, you outdid yourself. Honestly, this is beautiful. This is absolutely amazing. Oh my. Now it comes to the part if I have to open it. Oh, he sent me some. Oh, he sent me level up bushings? Oh, he sent, the good old classic MDST vinyl. Oh my god, look at that. So sent me more of those, some stickers. Ooh, he sent me the pro lock nuts. What is this? Yeah, he sent me more stickers. Oh yeah. If you know me, I am a huge sucker for vinyls. I'ma use this. Oh my god. And that is it. That is it. I don't know if I can open it. Would it really be an unboxing if I don't open it though? Yeah, I'm gonna have to open it. Cause then it wouldn't be an unboxing, you know? I'm gonna have to change the shot so that y'all could get a closer look on how it really looks. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna carefully unbox this. Let's do it. I'm honestly speechless. This thing is beautiful. Wow, dude. Well, this about wraps up the video. Honestly, I don't know what else to say. I'm just blown away. Again, it's art. There's no other words to describe it. This is just beautiful. Seriously, thank you. Like this is awesome. Well, like what I said, just be sure to hit that like, subscribe. Oh, and I spent $500 on this thing.